Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to convert your Mitsubishi Lancer's single din deck to a double din deck. Alright guys, so this AC control unit, there are two particular things you have to take out. There's this part which is controlled or which controls the temperature, and then there's the other one on the other side which controls the, I'm not sure, but anyhow, there's one on this side and one on the other side which I took off already. So I'm going to take off this one, and then you guys can follow for the other one. Right, so basically there are two tabs on either side. You squeeze them down with the pliers and you kind of push down on one side, and then you will see it kind of create a gap here. Then you just push on this side and push it out. It's kind of hard to show you with one hand, but I'll try. You see, I squeeze it with the pliers. Alright, then I'm gonna push down on one side. So I push down on this side while I had the pliers squeezing. And then now I need to push down on this side tab to get it out the rest of the way. Oh, I just need to push it. Nice. There we go. That's one part of it down. The other part is there's a clip here. Alright, so you need to push that tab inward. Alright, I'll put some arrows on the screen so you could see what I mean. Because the clip is expanding outward, you just need to push it inward and then just pop it out. You can use I don't know, a key, a flathead screwdriver, something like that. Alright, so you just push it in and then you push it out. Alright, and it's out. So if you look at the clip, you'll understand what it is. So you squeeze the clip in, you squeeze it in and then you pop it out, and then it kind of expands itself to fill in the gap. Alright, so the instructions say to remove 4 Phillips head screws and 8 10mm bolts. So the same assembly that you see here, that's frame, we're gonna have to remove it. They kind of show you a cutout of what it looks like here. Alright, so let's get to it. Not gonna lie guys, that was pretty awkward. Not so much difficult, but just awkward because there are a lot of backwards screws and bolts on the more difficult side to reach, you know. So it takes a lot of, reaching in from the other side and kind of, getting the ratchet in there and unscrewing bit by bit by bit until it's loose enough, and then you unscrew the rest with your finger. Alright, anyhow, let's continue with the rest of the install. Alright guys, so after trying to mount it in place, notice that it's not going up, it's not going back all the way, right? See, it's hitting against that side and that side. So we're gonna have to do some modifications here. We're gonna have to cut into that plastic so that it can go all the way back. Be able to screw in this on the top there, and then we're done with this part. Alright, so I found me one of those blades for my sawzall, or reciprocating saw. So see how it has a lot of teeth in it? This will make it easy to cut the plastic. You can use a utility knife as well. Anything you can find around the house. Okay, so let's just go ahead and cut, and then I'll catch you guys back when I'm done. Right, so it's not pretty, but it gets the job done. So now we have clearance on both sides. Now fits in place pretty well. So now it's time to, well, obviously clean up this mess now, but more importantly, screw everything in place. First installation is the opposite of removal, so go ahead and connect back the two cables on the left and the right side. Then you want to reconnect the cables, of course. Alright, I'll meet you guys back here when I'm done. Wires are connected, cables connected. Next step, to put back in the brace. I already put back in the left and the right side, the left and the top side. I need to put back in this one and the one on the right. Guys, we got another problem. This bracket on the side here can't get into position properly because there's a screw that I need to get to. I need to push the bracket enough to get to. I can't show you on video, but actually wait. Yeah. I wonder if I can show you guys. Right, you see that hole there? That needs to meet this. So it needs to move to the left. Now the only way to do that, oh crap, that is actually for that. I can't even cut it out, never mind. Alright guys, so basically all the bolts that were out are back in again. Now the only one that I had an issue with was the one in the back here, because after moving this unit from higher up here to lower down here, this bracket is in the way, right? It's being blocked and allowing this to not be able to, or preventing this from being able to come back to original position. Now the only way to fix this is to basically Dremel out this bracket here now, and right now I'm not in the mood to do that, so we're gonna have to just leave it like that for now. Maybe later down the road, next time, we can tackle that. But other than that, everything is in place and ready for the double den unit. Alright guys, you see these clips that were included in the Metra kit? In my case, I just needed to add two. Alright, one here and one here. The reason why is because I already have threaded holes here already, which work with these types of screws, these wood screws that were from the original stereo. So I mean, I see they included some here, but the thread pitch is different, so I'll just go ahead and use the existing ones in my case.
As usual guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below and I'll get to them as soon as I can. If you would like to help support the channel, you can check out the first link in the video description. I would really appreciate it. Also, if you'd like to see any of my upcoming videos, make sure to click that red subscribe button below and click that notification bell as well so that you'll get notified of my new videos before anyone else. Once again, thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.